Now this is how you can pick a song for your alarm on the iPhone, and let's get into it. So there are more options. Usually people just stick with the clock app by default. It's fine, it works. So in there, if you go to the alarms, you can edit the existing ones or start a brand new one. But the important point is that every single alarm has the ability to adjust the sound. So you can click on it and, of course, choose from the default and built-in ringtones. That's fine. But you also have the songs section right there. So you can click on pick a song, which will make your Apple Music page or like a window slide up from the bottom. And you can basically pick any song from your library. So you can choose those from the albums recently added or songs, whatever. You can go through it and essentially choose that sound to wake you up in the morning. So that's usually the option that a lot of people go with. But it's not the only thing. Outside of that, you can also see we have the Tune Store, which basically means that it can give you the option to just go to the iTunes store, which is like the old-fashioned way of purchasing songs and ringtones, but it still works. And you can purchase some sounds, which you can use also for the, ringtone or on your alarms. But for the Spotify users, right, because I've shown you everything within the Apple ecosystem, but if you are a Spotify user, which a lot of people are, there are a couple of apps on the App Store which work as Spotify alarms. So those apps basically let you log in with your Spotify account, access your library, and then set up the alarm to wake you up with that particular sound. So I think that this might actually be very useful for a lot of people. So yeah, let me know if you have ever come across this or if it's something new for you. But regardless, let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.